Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing you don't need most of the apps on your phone anymore. No Uber app, no Amazon app, no airline app, no food delivery app. No banking app, no price comparison app. You simply tell your AI, book me the cheapest flight to London next Friday, and it does everything. It searches hundreds of flights, checks your schedule, compares prices, finds the best option, uses your saved payment method, and books the ticket. You never opened an airline app. You never searched Google. You never filled out a form. You simply asked. And that seemingly small change could completely reshape the internet. Because for nearly 2 decades, the internet has been built around one thing: apps. But what happens when humans stop using apps and AI starts using them for us? The answer could be the beginning of the post-app economy, and the companies that control it could become some of the most powerful in the world. Think about how you use the internet today. Want food? Open an app. Want a hotel? Open an app. Want a flight? Open an app. The smartphone didn't just put the internet in your pocket. It created an entire economy around interfaces. Humans are extremely inefficient at navigating digital systems. We click, we scroll, we compare, we copy information, we remember passwords. AI agents could change that because an AI agent doesn't necessarily need to interact with the internet the way you do. A chatbot answers questions. An AI agent is designed to take action. That's a major difference. Imagine saying, I need a hotel in New York for 3 nights under $500. An agent could search, compare, and complete the booking. Today, you operate software. Tomorrow, software could operate software for you. Right now, you, app, service, but imagine you, AI agent, internet, service. The agent handles the complexity behind the scenes. The interface becomes less important, the outcome becomes everything. And this is where the phrase "the App Store is dying" becomes interesting. Your AI does the work. You say, find me the best laptop under $1,000. The agent searches stores, compares specs, and checks reviews. The AI becomes the front door to the internet. And that could be devastating for businesses built around direct user attention. If AI agents become the new interface, who controls the agents? Whoever controls the agent could influence what you see and what you buy. For decades, the internet economy has been built around clicks. You search, you click, you see an advertisement. But if an AI agent becomes the middleman, the human may never see most of that information. The internet becomes less about human browsing. Imagine a traveler saying, plan a 2-week trip through Japan within my budget. The AI builds the itinerary and handles the research, instead of learning how to use software. Software learns how to accomplish what you want. That's a profound shift. Convenience always comes with a price. The more control you give an AI agent, the more power that agent has. It will depend on trust. The company that controls the agent may sit between you and almost everything you do online. For years, the internet was designed around humans clicking buttons. Now we're building machines that can understand intentions. The App Store isn't necessarily disappearing. It may simply be becoming invisible. Subscribe to Nova Tech to understand the technology changing the world.